Recently, Lumension was invited to join the VMware Technology Alliance Partners Program at the elite partner level. This was to explore the possibility of advancing Lumension's state-of-the-art application control technology on VMware's endpoint security platform. This technology validation has borne exciting fruit. At VMworld 2011 in Las Vegas, Lumension showcased a prototype technology that demonstrated agentless application control that provides advanced security capabilities never before obtainable in physical computing environments. I'd like to share with you a little background on this exciting development and the benefits we expect it to bring to customers concerning securing their virtual systems. Let's start off with a brief historical perspective. Virtualization at first was mostly about replacing the physical model. Instead of physical machines, IT teams started using virtual machines. But soon that changed to a totally new way of thinking and some exciting new technologies. Some examples are virtual desktop infrastructure, which provides a completely new approach to providing a consistent computing environment for employees. Another example, cloud infrastructure, a powerful abstraction of the underlying hardware that allows broad flexibility in deploying enterprise applications and services. Now, virtualized security is following a similar route. The initial approach to securing virtualized environments was to just duplicate traditional security to virtualized environments. But now there's an opportunity to move beyond the limitations of physical security models to actually leverage virtualization to produce a new and more effective approach to endpoint security. VMware has taken the lead in this area with vShield Endpoint and its associated EPSec API. VMware has partnered with key antivirus vendors to provide a new level of AV protection that just can't be matched in traditional physical models. Now Lumension and VMware are poised to make a similar leap forward in the area of application control. Let's take a quick look at VMware's vShield Endpoint product. VMware vShield Endpoint strengthens security for virtual machines while improving performance related to endpoint protection. vShield Endpoint offloads security-related agent processing to a dedicated and highly secure virtual appliance, which is typically provided by a VMware partner. The Endpoint Security API, or EPSec API, is a code library and API for introspection into guest-level file activities via the hypervisor layer. Through this API, VMware partner solutions can deliver endpoint security simultaneously across multiple endpoints and provide that protection without the need for a vendor-specific agent. Now let's discuss the specifics of Lumension's application control technology enabled by the vShield Endpoint Security API. This prototype demonstrated three key technologies. One, a security VM that offloads all application control monitoring and enforcement from all the guest VMs in a vShield environment. Two, a vCenter plugin for managing application control policies for protected guest VMs. And third, a cloud-based application metadata repository to pre-populate the application policy whitelist. The security VM interfaces directly with the EPSec API and has complete view into all the application activities on each guest VM. Based on the application control policy, the security VM can block the execution of an unauthorized app on any of the guest VMs. Because this functionality is not dependent on an application control agent being installed in the guest VM, all guests are always under continuous protection through each stage of the entire life cycle of the VM. From a defense in depth standpoint, this capability protects VMs that may have malfunctioning antivirus or have not received the latest antivirus updates. There are many pieces of stealthware or unsignatured malware generated every day that can evade antivirus defenses. Application control protects guest VMs from this type of attack. Also, VMs are protected against zero-day exploits that quickly flood the internet after a Microsoft Patch Tuesday, until those VMs can be patched in their normal maintenance windows. Another common scenario is bringing an unused or dormant VM back online. Typically, these VMs have outdated AV signature files and have missed multiple patch cycles. EPSec-enabled application control protects these VMs until such time as administrators can apply updates. The vCenter Application Control plugin allows administrators to generate application control policies that are automatically effective across all guest VMs managed by vShield. Through the magic of hypervisor introspection, policy changes are instantaneously applied and enforced on all guest VMs. Lumension's intelligent whitelisting application control policies can include a whitelist, a blacklist, applications installed by trusted updaters, applications installed in trusted paths, and applications vetted by Lumension's Endpoint Integrity Service. This service holds a huge repository of well-structured application metadata that administrators can use to construct their application whitelists. These are very exciting advances, but let's take a second to look at the specific benefits that customers can expect from this technology. vShield-enabled application control from Lumension will augment a defense-in-depth strategy protecting guest VMs where antivirus solutions prove insufficient, especially in defending against zero-day exploits and advanced persistent threats that leverage stealth-enabled malware. Because this advanced protection comes without the overhead of application control agents, customers can expect little impact on the aggregate security load on their VMware environment. And this comes with the added side benefit of reduced agent sprawl and the associated agent management costs. Lastly, Lumension's intelligent whitelisting technologies make building, maintaining, and enforcing an application control policy a much easier and efficient process for administrators. Lumension is working closely with VMware to make the technologies that I've discussed today available to vShield customers sometime in 2012. Please visit lumension.com/VMworld to get the latest information on this exciting new technology.